Alright guys, my name is Paul and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Some of you might know me already because I have another YouTube channel, Mark Plus Tech, but this is a new one I'm creating, a personal one for me, and this is the introduction. I'm just supposed to tell you what the channel will be about. We are not going to do anything serious in this video. So what will this channel be about? I don't know why I even added the 44 to the channel name, like 44. I guess 2 is a nice number, like 2 to the power 2 will give you 4. 2 times 2 gives you 4, 2 plus 2 gives you 4, and there are 2 of the 4s over there, so that's where the 2 came from. I mean, scratch that, trevenue44. So this is my personal channel. I'm going to be doing stuff like programming, electronics, technology, engineering, maths. Let's talk about differential equations. Stuff like that. Anything that interests me. Essentially, I'm going to be doing stuff that I find interesting. And then I'll try and share that with you guys. I'll give my idea on certain topics and all of that. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you don't already know me, like I said from the beginning, my name is Paul and this is my new YouTube channel. Subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next one.